Welcome to the market update. The local market has taken a larger than expected tumble at the open, weighed down by losses in utilities and bank stocks. Futures were pointing to a 0.1% slip, especially given US positivity, but the market has slipped as much as 0.7% early to 6,462. Continued selling in Commonwealth Bank after its results yesterday is taking the most points off the market, while Transurban shares are down 1.77%. Rio Tinto and BHP are also down 3.39% and 0.14% respectively, after iron ore slipped below US 93 per tonne overnight, with BHP buoyed by its newly announced investment increase in the Ruby oil and gas project. AGL Energy shares have slipped by 4% at the open after flagging a steep fall in its 2020 earnings, as an outage at its Loy Yang coal plant combined with lower electricity prices and higher fuel costs dampened the outlook for Australia's largest power supplier. Rural Funds Group, the subject of a scathing short attack earlier this week, has surged by 27% on its return to trade after rejecting allegations and defending its business model. The stock had 42% of its market share wiped on Tuesday after the report was released suggesting it was in breach of loan covenants and suggesting its equity was worthless. Moving to the US, stocks rebounded from heavy losses seen early in the session, with the S&P ending the day slightly higher after being down as much as 2%. Advances were driven by the tech sector. The Dow ended 22 points lower after falling nearly 600 points at session lows. The Nasdaq was 30 points higher at 7,863 after setting a session low of 7,702. Early losses were pinned on worries over global recession fears as bond yields fell sharply on risk aversion. Have a great afternoon.